everybody, it's Rayne. Today I have a wonderful unboxing video for you. I know I don't need any more raw wool, but there was a sale and I just couldn't pass it up. This is all completely not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I have a weak spot in my heart for raw wool. I absolutely love processing it. I love the whole process of making yarn from a fleece fresh off of the farm. I love working with the wonderful farmers that put so much work into these gorgeous sheep to grow such quality fine fleeces. So I'm going to let you guys listen to my initial unboxing excitement, and I really hope you enjoy, and we will come back and skirt the fleece and talk a little bit more about it. I hope you enjoy my excitement and how giddy I get for my new raw wool.
I've been eyeballing them probably for over a year, and she had a really good sale and I just couldn't pass it up. All the new fleeces she listed, oh, I don't want to cut into it. All the new fleeces she listed, I just couldn't pass it up. So I went ahead and got me one, and I'm so excited. Oh my God, you guys, here we go. Popped open. You guys are seeing it the first time for me. The first time just like I am. Let me get you a little closer. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, I already see the staple length. This is a raw fleece. Skirted and ready to be processed. Oh my God, it's getting bigger. The air is coming into it. All right, you guys ready to open it? I can't wait any longer. I gotta see some. That's where I cut the bag a little bit when I was opening it. All right, there's my card. Cactus Hill Farm.
Her website is cactushillfarm.com, and she also has a Facebook page. Be sure to go leave it a like if you are interested, and check out her wonderful fleeces.
It is a Merino CVM cross, and it is 12.5 pounds. All right. Ooh. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, look at that. Nothing like the smell of a raw fleece. Let's see what we got here. Here's one. That's beautiful. Really strong, nice strong locks, a beautiful crimp, wonderfully strong. Now that is some strong wool. Beautiful. All right, let's just dig in here a little bit, see what. All right, let's get one of these locks. Right down here in the middle. Oh my gosh, I've never had, wow, look at that. Oh, I've never had a fleece of this quality before. Like all my other fleeces I have, they're like really crimpy and nice, but they're short. This one has a really nice staple length. I wanted to make sure I got one with a nice long staple length so we could just flick the tip, scour, and then it would be ready to go, ready to process. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Wonderful strength. Wonderful strength. Not tippy. Tips aren't breaking off. Look at that crimp. Oh, this is going to be a dream to process. I cannot wait. can't wait to process this, you guys. Like, this is going to be so much fun.
Here is a staple length laid out on my measuring board. It is a little bit over 4 inches, so it is perfect for hand spinning.
All right, now that we have it opened, and I've already washed a little bit of it up. I washed a couple locks, and I'll show you that in just a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out here. Take a look at the whole shebang. Oh, good God.
Here's the cute little letter she sent. So thank you if you watch this.
Man. This is a big fleece. A big, big fleece. And I don't know what to do with it.
So normally I don't skirt my fleece in my bedroom, but I had no other choice this time. So I just cut a trash bag up and laid it out on that. And then I'll vacuum and shampoo the carpet and whatever needs to be done after I'm finished. So let me just tell y'all, I was not prepared for the size of this massive merino CVM fleece. All the fleeces I've ever got were around, you know, maybe at the most 6 pounds. This thing was huge. Granted, I knew what I was in for. It was listed as an 11-pound fleece, and then the card said it was 12.5 pounds, so I didn't really understand the gravity of how big this thing was. And I'm very excited, but it was a process to get it all laid out, let me tell you. So this fleece has already been skirted, but I always lay out my fleeces when I get them and go ahead and go around them and make sure I skirt out anything that I don't want. This was definitely one of the best skirted fleeces I've ever gotten. It was very nicely skirted, very little waste. I'm not going to show my whole skirting process in this video. If you would like more information on my skirting process, you can click the I in the top right corner. I will link the video there that will help you. Here was a small little bag of skirtings I got. Not very much at all, especially compared to the size of the fleece itself. A very nice, well skirted fleece. So I'm going to do one more little pan over this, and then I'm going to show you guys the little washed locks. And if this wool strikes your fancy, make sure you leave a like. It always helps my videos. Here is my hand in comparison to this massive fleece. I was trying to show a size comparison. And some of those wonderful crimpy locks. Alright, are you guys ready to see it washed? So here are a few locks washed. And this was literally just pulled straight out of the fleece and thrown into a little wash basin. No flicking, no kind of prep, anything. This fleece will definitely require a really hot scour to completely get rid of all the lanolin. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and I promise this is my last raw wool for a while. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.